It is Friday and today is going to be a very busy day. We are going into the city, the small town here where we live in the country, and then we're going to the playground there, and then we have a lot of cleaning to do and resetting the house. My family is coming over tomorrow and they have some presents for Logan. They never got to give him those when he had his birthday because we got sick twice. So that is what we're going to do today, and then hopefully I'm going to bake some stuff also, and I also have some stuff to do in the city. I'm going to pick up a package with some clothes for the girls, and I also think that I got the package with the shoes for Liam's confirmation for Dad, and also Dad's clothes. I'm not sure we're going to see that. And yeah, then just a lot of stuff going on today. So yeah, and by the way, if you're new here, my name is Lena. Hi, I'm a mom of 5. I just had our 5th baby here 3.5 weeks ago, almost 4 weeks ago. So he is very new. And our oldest is a teenager, and on this channel I share homemaking videos and family vlogs, baking, cooking, decorating, cleaning, stuff like that. So don't forget to follow here if you want to see more of that content. Well, Mikkel is getting the car ready right now, and I'll just go ahead and get the baby ready, and then we are going into the playground. He is just laying here in the pram while I'm packing his bag with diapers and stuff like that. Logan is gone. His first car ride since he came home from the hospital. A baby burrito. Monster truck. Monster truck.
Yeah.
Wow.
The monster truck.
Wow. So this is the next day. It is actually evening now, and I'm going to start dinner. We had some of my family members over, and they had some presents for Logan, and yeah, we had some fun and ate some cake. And yeah, now I'll go ahead and make some dinner. We're going to have some meatballs with some potato salad, and the kids are going to have the kids are going to have pasta. And yeah, then we have some cleanup to do as well. So meatballs, and you're going to have pasta mayonnaise. So I'll get started on that now. And over here we have all the cinnamon rolls we didn't use. They're going into the freezer. Some leftover buns. More cinnamon rolls. Then we also have some raspberry slices. I have a video with the recipe here on YouTube. The dough for breakfast buns are ready.
See where you stand, I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what to get going, start running. But I'm not supposed to run when I'm falling. When I'm falling, I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand, I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant, all the words you never said, all the questions in my head, 'cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble, trouble, trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble.
So this is our grocery haul for this week. This is not going to last all week, or the milk is going to last all week. And some of the basic stuff, but we only meal plan from today Monday and until Thursday. And then in the weekend we'll see what we're going to do there. We spent around $150 or 975 Danish. And we're on our menu plan. We have pizza, homemade pizza, and we have a noodle recipe. That is the first time we're going to try that with the noodles here and with some minced chicken. And it is down here. And then we're going to have some pulled pork burgers and this miracoli for today because it's a little bit late and it's easy. Everybody likes it. And yeah, the coleslaw here is for the pulled pork burgers, and this one is for the noodle recipe. I'm very excited for that. And yeah, then we get some deli and yeah, some parmesan for today's pasta recipe, or recipe. Not really a recipe. And of course some veggies. This is also for the noodle recipe, and one for the freezer because they were on offer. These are for the noodle recipe. These are because we are almost out of onions. And yeah, of course some toilet paper and stuff, and some ground beef. We're going to use ground beef for the miracoli, and one for the freezer. And yeah, actually we have meat for 2 more days. No, I think we're going to use one of those for pizza. Then we have meat for 1 more day because we're only using half of this minced chicken. So, and we also have some chicken breasts in the freezer and 1 package of ground beef. So we actually have enough for this whole week. Maybe we are going to buy something for the side dishes, and that's that. And then of course I'm going to clean out the fridge. It is Monday. I usually want to do it on Sunday, but it's like never happening on Sundays, so maybe I should just make it into a Monday thing since it's never happening on Sundays. So yeah, but before doing that I have to rotate the laundry because that is been sitting there for hours and I don't want it to smell bad. emptied out the shelves here, and I gotta go clean this now. And I'll just leave the milk here.
Guys, she's a cleaner and I'm an organizer.
Then I think you should go organize your room.
Put the milk away. Also, guys, don't ask why we have so much milk.
That's because we are a gazillion people in here.
It's only 7.
Are you embarrassed by having a big family?
No.
What do you think about it?
Baby.
Do you want another one?
Baby.
Haley actually asked yesterday when we are going to get a little sister.
You can maybe we'll get a little brother.
That's the thing, you never know if you're getting a boy or a girl.
Imagine if you
You cannot just order one.
I mean, if you go to a doctor center, but then it's not blood related.
That's not how it works, honey. So fridge done is not the perfect Instagram picture here, but it works. We have the milk and yogurt, some heavy cream, and then we have some pickles back there, and some eggs, and then we have all the butter, the deli meat, and yeah, some more heavy cream. And down here we have all the veggies, some more yogurt, and the ketchups and stuff like that that do not fit anywhere else. And then we have some stuff for dinner for the next days, and raspberry slices down here in the bottom. And yeah, that's how it ended up looking. And now we have some stuff for the chickens.